Welcome to the city of Kalamunda, known for its beautiful nature, biodiversity and outdoor experiences. As climate change with prolonged drought and other anthropogenic factors threaten our biodiversity and our natural areas, the city has produced a set of guidelines that will better balance current fire practices with the necessity to take biodiversity into account. The city of Kalamunda has 201 local natural areas, 762 hectares ranging in size from 0.04 hectares to 58.6 hectares. Managing fire risk is the responsibility of the city under the Bushfires Act 1954. One of the tools to manage risk is prescribed burning. Prescribed burning does not currently take into consideration the biodiversity values of the native vegetation. The city of Kalamunda have developed fire procedures for biodiversity to identify and manage the significant biodiversity values of each individual LNA, balanced against the fire risk.
Right now we can see our fire is wetting the tree, the base of the tree. Anything around the tree gets pulled away. That allows basically for the bush to be burnt around the tree and not the tree itself.
Moving from an 8-year time cycle where we do our burns to hopefully a 12-year cycle will allow the plants to regenerate better and will allow the species that has seed that requires those extra few years to fully mature so that they're able to set seed and continue to be within this pocket of bushland. Procedures were developed using data from regional data sets for flora, fauna, ecological communities, wetlands and rivers, as well as local data for local natural areas, fire management and weeds. Data was intersected with LNAs to determine ecological values of significance based on the threatened flora, fauna and conservation listed ecological communities. The ecological values of the reserves were then assessed as to the response to fire and other disturbances. This data was gathered from sources including DBCA records and recovery plans. Let's continue to keep the community safe from fire while retaining our rich biodiversity.